From a best medal tally of 4 medals at the Paralympic Games until as recent as 2016 to a monster 29 medal haul at the Paris edition, how did India have such an incredible Paralympics campaign? Indian Paralympians are back home after an exhilarating few days in Paris, which saw the contingent win a record 7 golds, 9 silvers and 13 bronze, with Sports Minister Mansukh Mandavia announcing cash prizes for the medals. If the Tokyo Paralympics was the turning point when the medal count went from 4 medals to 19 medals, what was done right in the Paris Paralympics to make it an even more successful campaign? Well, for the start, the surge in the contingent set to the Games in the last 2 editions has been immense. Just 19 athletes were sent to the Rio Games, which saw India win 2 gold medals in the same edition for the first time ever. A massive increase in the number of athletes was seen in Tokyo with 54 athletes. The curve continued to be on the up as this record was broken comprehensively again at the Paris Paralympics, in which 84 Indians were involved. More athletes has simply given more opportunities for medals being won, and this is exactly what we saw unfold. The next important factor is the funding given to the para-athletes to prepare themselves for the big stage in the best way possible. The Tokyo Paralympic cycle saw the introduction of the Target Olympic Podium scheme, which meant there was an increase of 184% in funding compared to the Tokyo cycle. 74 crores were spent during the years 2021 to 2024 against the previous cycle where 26 crore was spent. The coaching and support staff numbers went up from 45 to 77 in the last 2 Paralympic Games. Another crucial aspect for the para-athletes to have timely access to their coaches throughout their campaign. The last but not the least is the increase in technology usage among the para-athletes and their coaches. For the para-athletes, assistive technologies have helped improve their bodily function and overall well-being. As for the coaches, the use of technologies has seen a shift to a data-driven approach for judging player performances instead of their old method of assumptions and intuitions. The improvement in a holistic view of things and not just in terms of medals has been evident. Thus, there's a definite scope to keep the momentum going as India aims for another memorable Paralympic cycle from this year till 2028.